motors. The tabletop is made of PVC and aluminum.